Imagine you'd shut yourself away to write a great American dystopian novel, only to emerge in 2018 to reports of ICE agents smashing down doors and migrant children detained in cages. You'd be mad, right? Mad enough to do something about it? In 2017, there were 10.5 million undocumented immigrants living in America, people who entered the country illegally or who stayed after their work visas ran out. For them, immigration and customs enforcement is all too real. To be honest, the U.S. government has been cracking down on illegal immigration for decades, following the September 11th attacks and the signing of the Homeland Security Act. The Immigration and Naturalization Service became ICE. The Obama administration used it to deport 5 million people between 2008 and 2016. But ICE has become more visible in recent years thanks to the Trump administration's zero-tolerance policy on illegal aliens. Their tactics have invigorated a new generation of activists to campaign for the America they want to see. They join a long line of rebels who have asserted their First Amendment right to protest. During the Civil Rights era, the Vietnam War, the Me Too campaign. Media-savvy and informed, 21st century protesters are standing up to ICE by using social media to celebrate diversity and give human faces to the statistics, staging sit-ins in Amazon stores to protest against companies providing ICE with essential tech support, and educating immigrants about their rights under U.S. law. Sometimes they can go too far, breaking the law by blockading ICE facilities and stopping federal employees from getting to work, and even put themselves in harm's way, as when peaceful protesters outside the Wyatt Detention Center in New York narrowly escaped with their lives after a correctional officer drove his truck into the crowd. But by standing up to injustice and making their voices heard, young people are writing a new chapter in the story of American resistance.